Hi everyone and welcome to my first shuffle tutorial. Today I show you how to do the running man, the T-step and how to connect them. So let's start with the running man. Imagine there are 3 lines, or use tape and stick it on the floor. The first thing you do is to jump apart with your legs. I always start the running man with my right leg in front. Now jump with the front leg to the middle line and at the same time you lift up your back leg. From then on the steps are repeated. You jump apart again. The lifted leg is set up on the front line and the leg we stand on jumps to the back line. With the front leg we jump to the middle again and the back leg is lifted. Pay attention that both of your feet move at exactly the same time, so there are only these 2 steps, open and closed. Also, try to keep your feet flat on the floor, not only heel or toe, the whole foot. And this is how you count. Every time you jump apart, you count the number 1 to 8. And when your legs are in the middle, you say the word and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And all my body, all my anguish, all my failure, wish they vanished, all my soul. So let's take a look at the T-step. First, try out this move. Your toes point outwards. Lift your toes and move them to the other side. Now lift your heel to the other side and your toes again. Heel, toes, heel, toes. When your right leg is in the air, you twist to the right side. Now change directions and twist to the left. Now we add the other leg. The first thing you do is to form a T with your feet. When you lift your toes and twist, you pull up your leg. While twisting your heel, you put your leg down again. So with every step you move your leg up and down. With the other side it works the same way. You form the T, move your toes and pull up your leg, move your heel and put your leg down. You change direction by building a new T. From this position you change into this one. Your free leg becomes your twisting leg, and this is how you count. When you do the T, you count from 1 to 8, and when you pull up your leg you say the word and. It's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. But you don't always have to form a T with your free leg. You can tap wherever you want, using your heel or your toes, so there are no limits. Now we connect these steps. We start with the running man with the right leg in front. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and from this position we go into the T-step, twisting with the left heel and putting down the right leg on 5. We're going on with the T-step and 6 and 7 and 8. We do this again. Running man starts with the right leg in front. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we go into the T-step 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. This also works the other way round. We start with the T-step 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and from this position we jump into the running man. Your free leg jumps in front and the other leg behind on 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Again, starting with the T-step 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we go into the running man on 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Oh, my soul, my sweetest soul, only you, take it away. If you're looking for slow music to practice, you should check out my Spotify playlist in the description down below. And on my Instagram you can find many more tutorials. So, now it's your turn to dance. And oh, my body.